Hey, how is going? Today I will discuss about GoHighLevel Booking tracking through Google Tag Manager, and it can be iframe booking or it can be mainframe booking, but I will cover all of them. So let's get started. We're gonna set up Google Ads and GA4 conversion tracking with GoHighLevel Booking. So what we need? We need a website where we have GoHighLevel Booking. Then we also need Google Tag Manager, then Google Ads and GA4. So this is the website where we have a GoHighLevel iframe booking. Let me show you. Do you see view frame source? It means it is working as iframe. Then this is the Google Tag Manager, this is Google Ads, this is GA4. So first of all I need a code that will listen the booking. Okay, then we will also need to set up the tag trigger and variable. So let me start. This is the script that will capture the GoHighLevel booking and send data to data layer. Now we can test it. So let me test. Preview. Then we have to copy the website URL and paste it here. Oh, it already here. So connecting. Now we can test a booking, then we can implement it. Okay, so I can test at 28th of November. Then this is the time that I can use my name as a test. Okay, test. Now let me just schedule it. I am getting two events here. The first event is form submit, the second event is booking complete. Okay, but we need to use this one. Maybe you have a question, that is why two event here, because this is my client website and he also have this same code. Okay, but when you set up it, you will get that just two event, this one and this one. You will not get it duplicate. Okay, so we need to use this one for the booking and this one for the form submission, but right now we are doing booking, so we will capture this one. So copy it and we have to create a trigger. Then yeah, it is coming, trigger, then custom event. Okay, this is GSL booking, it means GoHighLevel booking. Now we need to create Google Ads conversion and we also need to set up GA4 conversion. So let me go to the Google Ads, then create a new conversion action, then it will be booking. Okay, booking, it is GoHighLevel booking, so it will be count 1. Then Google Tag Manager, yeah, save it. Okay, now we have to use the conversion ID and conversion label. Now we can create Google Ads conversion tag. So Google Ads conversion tag, then conversion tracking, conversion ID. We also need conversion label. Okay, conversion label, then it will fire on the GoHighLevel booking event. Then we also need to create Google tag and conversion linker for Google Ad. It is mandatory. So create Google tag, then this is Google tag for Google Ads, then save it. Okay, now we can save it. This is Google Ads. Okay, Google Ads GoHighLevel booking, save it. Now we also need Google Ad conversion linker, that will mandatory. So now we can test it for Google Ad, but before testing it I can also set up the GA4 tracking. So this is a GA4 measurement ID that we're gonna use. So this one on everywhere, maybe you see demo.zubayerislam.com. this is my website that we usually use for testing, but this time I am using my client website. Okay, but it doesn't matter, the data will come, I can show you. Then we need to set up a Google tag for GA4. So this one, Google tag, I can maybe create a variable for it. This is GA4, M means measurement ID, then it can be constant. Okay, now I can save it. Perfect. Now we need to send page view, so it will be send page view true. Now it will fire on installation all page. Perfect. This is GA4 config. Nice. Now we need to create another event tag for GoHighLevel booking. In here it is GA4 GSL means GoHighLevel booking. Now we need to add the trigger. This is the trigger, then measurement ID here, GA4 MID, then it can be GSL. Okay, GSL just booking we can use, booking, then save it. Perfect. Now we can test it again, but before testing it I want to check it is okay or not. So this is GoHighLevel listener code, this is GoHighLevel booking conversion tag for Google Ad, and this is event tag for GA4. Then we have conversion linker, we have GA4 config, we have Google tag for Google Ads. I hope everything is good. Now we can preview again. Okay, it's working perfectly, I hope, but I can test again. Okay, in the meantime I need to finish here. Then I also need to check the data on the debug view on the GA4. Okay, data is coming. Let me check the website URL. Data source, okay, title, so it's okay. Just we need to confirm the booking. Now we will get the complete booking, as well as on the Google Ad we will get the data. In here we should get GoHighLevel Booking event. Okay, I am waiting to get it. It is connected. Now we should get, okay, that tag will fire 2 times, but when we set up from your end, it will fire 1 time. Okay, because we will get just 1 event here. So tags fire, everything is good. Okay, it is sending data. Now we need to check it here. Okay, I hope it is also getting data, and yeah, GA4 is getting data as well as Google Ad is getting data, I hope. Okay, now if I reload it, it should show no recent conversion. It means the data is coming. Okay, let me check. Still it is inactive, but after some time it will show no reset conversion. It means the data is capturing. Okay, and I can test it here. So in here Google Ad GoHighLevel is working, then GA4 is working. Okay, I hope you got everything and it's working. Thanks for watching. If you need help with data or want to make sure your tracking is working perfectly, I would love to help. You will find a blog post with more details in the description along with my WhatsApp and booking link. Just book a free consultation or send me a message. Let's make your conversion tracking work.